Good morning, everyone. My name is Sai Pragya. I study in class 9 at KV number 2 Dhanbad. Today, I am going to talk about something that combines two of the most powerful forces shaping our future technology and agriculture. The topic is Smart Agricultural Monitoring System. This is a prototype for the Viksit Bharat mentality. Agriculture has always been the backbone of the human civilization, but in the recent years, farmers have been facing serious challenges: unpredictable weather, soil degradation, water scarcity, and growing demand for higher crop yields. Traditional farming methods often rely on guesswork: when to water, how much fertilizer to use, or when to harvest. These uncertainties can lead to wasted resources and lower productivity. This is where smart agriculture monitoring system came into play. These systems use modern technology such as IoT, Internet of Things, sensors, drones, and artificial intelligence to monitor crops and soil condition in real time. For example, tiny sensors placed in the soil can measure moisture, temperature, humidity, nutrient level, and the collect data is then sent to the cloud platform where it can be analyzed and displayed on the farmer's smartphone. Imagine of getting a notification that says your soil moisture is low, time to irrigate. That's the power of smart farming. The benefits of enormous. It is efficient water usage through automated irrigation, reduce use of fertilizers and pesticides, protecting both crops and the environment, early detection of the disease and pests, saving crops before damage spreads, and the most importantly, increase productivity and the profit for farmers. Countries like India, Japan, and the United States are already implementing smart farming systems. Drones are used to spray fertilizers immediately, and satellite imagery helps monitor crop growth across the vast areas. Even the small scale farmers can use affordable sensors to get valuable insights about their fields. Smart monitoring agriculture isn't just about technology, it is about empowering farmers, protecting our environment, and securing our food future. As we move forward, the integration of AI and machine learning will make farming even more precise with sustainable with smart monitoring. We can use the agriculture remain not only productivity but also smart, sustainable, and future ready. Thank you so much.